Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today I am going to give you the dictation from a newspaper passage. It will be the exercise number 9. First of all, I will dictate you some difficult words or phraseography which I have chosen from this exercise. So be ready for the dictation. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf scheduled Peshawar implementation publicly Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Provincial Assembly Fraternity Civil Servants Imran Khan Press Conference Expected Reforms PTI Government Medical Institutions Repelled Writ Petition Peshawar High Court Public Sector Endanger Sabotage Anonymity Government Servants Board of Governors Repatriation Health Secretary Materialize Struggle Medical Directors Hayatabad Letter and Spirit Medical Consultant Staff Association Reinstated Seek comments restraining. Gentlemen, now get ready for the dictation of the main exercise. Sources close to the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI chief told the news that Imran Khan is scheduled to address a press conference in Peshawar today where he is expected to announce his pledge about the implementation of reforms full stop. He is also expected to publicly announce his support to his cousin, the architect of the health reforms full stop. The PTI government, after a long debate, had presented the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Health and Medical Institutions Reforms Act 2015 to the Provincial Assembly full stop. The Assembly passed the Act on January 14 and notified it on January 19 this year. Full stop. It repelled all previous legislation, but the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Health Department took a fairly sedate approach in implementing the 2015 Act. Full stop. The lack of guidance from the Health Department and the interim directors led to acute distrust in medical fraternity about the act. Full stop. This resulted in a number of writ petitions in the Peshawar High Court against the act. Full stop. Most civil servants after their appointment started campaign against the health reforms and mobilized the doctors already engaged in the struggle against the act. Full stop. The government gave option to the doctors working in the public sector hospitals as civil servants to decide to continue their job as institutional employees or remain civil servants. Full stop. The civil servants were already against the Health and Medical Institutions Reforms Act 2015 as they felt it would endanger their future. Full stop. By appointing civil servants as medical directors and hospital directors, the health department in fact gave them an opportunity to sabotage the whole process, a senior medical consultant at the Hayatabad Medical Complex told the news. Full stop. Pleading anonymity, he said the health department should have appointed medical directors and hospital directors from among the institutional employees if it wanted the reforms to be implemented in letter and spirit. Full stop. The health department was supposed to quickly respond to different writ petitions at the Peshawar High Court, but it failed to do so. Full stop. The Khyber Medical College Teachers Association challenged some sections of the act, full stop. The PGMI Teaching Staff Association also challenged it, though it did not ask for rectification that principal slash DN slash department heads should be on seniority cum fitness basis, full stop. It also asked for restraining the MTI from repatriation of government servants from these institutions, full stop. A former medical superintendent of the AYU Teaching Hospital Abbottabad has also challenged the abolishment of medical superintendent positions in the act, full stop. The writ petition sought restraining the Board of Governors from replacing DN PGMI, Principal KMC and KGMC, full stop. Interestingly, a doctor who challenged most sections of the MTI is not even working in any public sector hospital, full stop. Dr. Adnan Taj, a junior doctor like medical director LRH, assistant professor Dr. Amir Ghafoor, was removed as health director for his poor performance, but he challenged his removal and was reinstated due to cold response of the health department, full stop. Efforts by this correspondent to seek comments of health secretary for this story did not materialize despite attempts to contact him, full stop.